Okay, guys, I hope this works now. Yep. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry. My first videos was a drop 28 minutes ago, and already 4 views. I just want to say sorry. My sound was off. I didn't realize it until I posted the video. So, yeah. I'm just gonna I'm not gonna restart. You guys can comment if I need to restart or not. Just want to say really sorry for my first video. I hope the next video got the sound, because yeah, it was not that easy. So just all I was doing is just talking about my old channel.